Hello, my name is Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut, and today I'm standing on a brand new 2026 Saxdor 400 GTC. The C stands for coupe. It has a full windshield, solid side glass, and solid aft glass, which actually folds up out of the way. The side doors slide wide open, so you have a complete open concept. At the end of the day, no canvas to struggle with. Just slide the doors closed, press of a button, the aft glass closes up, close the door, go home. Now this boat's 40 feet long. It's got an almost 12-foot beam, and both side balconies fold down. So this boat literally becomes almost half as wide as it is long. Pretty amazing. Come inside and let me show you a few really cool features about the interior of this boat. Welcome to the indoor outdoor. So as you can see, I've opened up the back window electronically. Underneath here, we have an aft cabin, and we'll show you a shot of that in a second. Here's an electric high-low table, so you can kind of flip it up out of the way to get the guests in or out, or if you're moving about the boat, keep it both folded in. But it does drop down, put a sunpad filler cushion on top. Nice L-shaped seating over here, convenient for dining. And then I'll show you a shot of this seat will electronically shift aft, and the backrest now allows you to be able to sit facing forward, so you can have multiple people when you're underway facing forward. Here we have a summer kitchen. The kitchen's standard. Hot plate is an option, but this boat has it. We have a sink hidden underneath here. This boat is outfitted with 2 refrigerators, one right here, one under the helm seat, a little storage drawer underneath for your utensils and what have you, and a nice trash can off to the end. So this boat is powered by twin 350 horsepower V10 Mercury Verados. We do have the joystick option. In addition to that, we threw in the bow thruster for a little extra oomph. And as you'll notice, this dashboard is outfitted with triple 16-inch Simrad displays. We also have a Simrad readout down here for just the engine information. Digital throttle and shift control, of course. Up above here, we have a solid opening sunlight. There is heat and air conditioning both up here in the cockpit and down in the cabin. A nice little footrest here that can be fold down out of the way for comfort, or for somebody needing a little extra help getting up onto the seats. And you could fit 3 adults here at the helm seats. We also have induction phone charging. That's always a must. And a nice, easy to access, easy to read hot buttons for anything you could possibly need throughout the day. Okay, here we are in the completely heated and air-conditioned cabin. You also have the midship cabin option, which gives you the cushions, heat and air conditioning, electrical outlets, and lighting. Otherwise, it just comes standard as a storage area. Right to the port side, as soon as you get to the bottom of the stairs, you have all your buttons for your main switching panel, easily accessible. You have your Bluetooth stereo panel, as well as your HVAC control panel. Welcome to the bow of the 400 GTC. As you can see, this is an expansive area. We're set up in the lounge mode. Underneath this filler cushion is actually a table that can raise and lower, and it's adjustable, so you can set it to whatever height you would like it at. You have cup holders, grab handles, speakers everywhere. What a great place to sit on this boat. So there it is, the 400 Saxdor GTC. This boat is actually in inventory. It's ready for delivery. Whether you live down south, we can ship it down. If you want to buy it, we'll store it, take delivery in the spring. My name's Mark DiMatteo, MarineMax Norwalk, Connecticut. Give me a call. I want to get you out on the water.